Rosemary is widely used as a spice when cooking, especially in Mediterranean dishes. It is also used for fragrance in soaps and cosmetics. Traditionally, rosemary has been used medically, improving memory. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For those of you who don't know what rosemary is, these are rosemary. Here I have green rosemary leaves and dried rosemary leaves, but I'm going to use only these green rosemaries. If you don't know what rosemary is a shrub. Let's get started. First, I'm going to wash my rosemaries in a normal water, not too cold and not too hot. It's too long, so I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces so I can easily wash it out. According to scientists, rosemary has a significant antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, anti-apoptotic, and etc. Furthermore, it shows important clinical effects on mood, learning, memory, pain, ancient, and sleep. After I wash it, I'm going to place it on my plate. I've already turned on the heat, and after I make sure that my water start to get hot, I'm going to put my rosemary leaves in it. I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes only because I don't want to lose any nutrients from it. After 5 minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat and let it sit for 6 hours before I strain it out. After 6 hours, I'm going to strain out my rosemary water. And here's how it looks like. You can apply rosemary water as a spray for a quicker hair growth and to reduce hair loss as often as you like. As usual, make sure your hair is clean first. As for mine, I've already add onion juice as my conditioner, and then I wash it out with my baby shampoo before I apply rosemary water. If you want to know how I made my onion juice, there is a link on my description box, you can watch it. After that, I'm going to take my rosemary spray and then start to spray, concentrating on the roots of my hairs. Rosemary water is gentle, effective, and incredibly good for your hair. It prevents hair loss and stimulates growth with every use. The good thing is it's safe for all hair types. But it's recommended that you use the rinse in your shower or bath not more than twice a week after using it. I prefer once a week. I wash my hair after every week and then I apply my rose water again. Do not forget your edges are the stubborn ones. After I make sure all my hairs are covered with rosemary water, and then I'm going to massage it until I feel satisfied. Just take your time while you're doing it, and this is how you can apply rosemary water on your hairs. After that, you can apply your favorite oil and style as you desire. In today's video, I'm going to end here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so that you'll be the one to get notification whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to share so that many people be benefited through my videos. Like and comment, it means a lot to me. Bye bye, Che Che.